The gentleman from the 4th District move adoption of the amendment.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Move adoption amendment 457.
It's been moved and seconded we adopt amendment 457. Remarks, Representative Shea.
This seeks, I think, to solve a problem we have in our system, and that's among our Asian community, also among our Russian and Ukrainian community in the state, which is very large, Mr. Speaker. There have been misspellings with names. There are different ways to translate names, transliterate names, and that's resulted in some cases where votes have actually been rejected because the names have been misspelled, but it's actually been the actual person voting. I think this would help to correct that. It's actually happened, and it happened in the last election, and there were members of the Russian and Ukrainian community, and I think there are probably some members of the Asian community as well that had their votes not count because there was a misspelling in the voter registration database. So, Mr. Speaker, I'll tell you a story. My wife came from Ukraine. They suffered huge persecution there under the communist regime that was there. They came all the way to this country. They want to vote in an election, and because their name isn't properly spelled and is transliterated wrong, now their vote doesn't count? What message are we sending? If it's already in law and it's not being enforced and this would help the enforcement, why wouldn't you vote yes for this? Doesn't make any sense to me. I urge its adoption again. Thank you.